In stage 46 we're going to be temporarily attaching the Z-axis top mounting plate and the Z-axis coupling. So first of all, take the Z-axis top mounting plate, remove the paper backing and just identify as per the instructions where you've got the holes and the positions of the holes. Okay, and what we need to do first of all is take some tape or masking tape, sellotape, whatever you prefer, and we're just gonna put some of that just on the back where the nut goes. Okay, this is going to aid in holding the nuts in when we position the plate in later. So take a couple of nuts, put those in position like so, and then once you've done that, get your printer ready, and then we're going to attach that to the printer. In the meantime, put the washers over the screws. Just going to be needing those later as well. Okay, so be back in a moment. Now, when you're putting the plate in, make sure that the two holes are on the left. Okay, so facing the back, with the power supply facing you, it will be on the right. But when you look at it from a different angle from the front, then it will be on the left. Okay, so once you've done that, put the two screws in and tighten them up, and then you can remove your tape. Next, just place some paper inside just to protect that, and put some tape just over the nozzle just to protect that also. And then take your coupler and then place that over the Z-axis motor. Okay, and then making sure that the bottom of the coupler is level with the top of the plate, as you can see in the next photographs.